Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Ayushi Verma from Investolearn Academy, and today I'm here to discuss on the technical analysis outlook for the two major cryptocurrencies, which are Bitcoin and Ethereum. So I'll be looking at the daily chart. We'll be talking about what's going to happen in these two cryptocurrencies, what is happening and what's going to happen, what could be the level, what could be the trend for these two cryptocurrencies. So let's quickly get started with the Bitcoin first. And this is the daily chart of Bitcoin. Now, if you remember, we were talking about this thing that the price is basically taking a resistance of this 100 EMA, and the price is not able to close above this 100 EMA, and you can see that yesterday the price was fell down more with at least more average than the average volumes, with more volumes. And yes, the price is actually not able to close above than this 100 EMA, which is a point of concern, because if you look at this whole upside momentum, you can see that yes, the price is going upwards, but it's going in a very small with very small movements, right? So now if let's say the price does not hold up this level, you will definitely see that the price will fall further. Now for that thing, that's something which we need to get more confirmation. So for some time now, or for at least for short term now, what we can expect that the price may come down to 22,600, because this 22,600 level is an important one. One, we have this support area, another just below than this support area we have this trend line also. So this level will become important one, and we'll see whether the price will just take up a support here again, and maybe the price will try again to close above this 100 EMA. But as of now, it's looking clearly weak, that the price is not going up, and to the upside, to the resistance, you can take up a level of 25,823. Now again, the Bitcoin, if I specifically talk about Bitcoin, so in the recent time, or in the short term, or in the near term, you can say the price might able to come back to 22,600 level. So this is something you can look for the Bitcoin. Now if you look at the Ethereum here, so Ethereum is also moving in the same direction. However, you can see that the price is still trading higher than this 100 EMA, so which is a plus point, and the price is not able to close above the resistance area of 2004. So now we are taking up a resistance of 2004, and we are taking up a support at 1725. Now let's see whether the price will just take a support here and then go upwards, or maybe in between the support and resistance area, the price will take a support and will go there. So the probability of coming down of this particular cryptocurrency is somewhere around at 1800 or so. So the price is slightly coming downwards, and in fact if you have seen yesterday's low point, that is very near to 1800, which is 1890. So precisely it is, if I'm not wrong, it is 1790. So the price may come to this level, and if the price tested this level, goes up, so we'll be very much okay with that, because that will we'll get an idea that the uptrend will still continue from there. But let's say if the price comes down, and it will reach towards 1725 level there, then we will get some more concerns, or some more information that okay, we might not able to see that the price will close above than this resistance area of 2004. So as of now, let's not be so conclusive. Let's just trade based on the levels, based on the directions. The direction is saying the price is up, and you can say that slowly and slowly the price is stabilizing somewhere. So 1800 is the level where we can see that the price will come, and then from there you will see that the price will start moving towards upside. So let the price come to 1800. We'll analyze the situation, we'll look at the price action, and then we will see that whether the price will go up from there or will fall further. So this is how you can look for these two cryptocurrencies, and we are doing this analysis for every day for these two cryptocurrencies. So I hope you are learning something new, you are getting some insights regarding the trading into these cryptocurrencies. So this is all from my side today. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also hit the notification bell icon. Share this video between your friends, your family, whosoever who are trading in the market. So this is all from my side today. Thank you so much for watching us.